Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Shooting DYangBass. Today, we made out on the river. We are still looking for some rock bass. You guys see in the latest video, it was a ton of fun targeting them and just overall, just fishing for them, right? It's super fun. Today, the focus is laid out. As you guys can see in the B-rolls, there's a bunch of trees that's flushed down onto this river system. Now, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but all I know is that there's a ton of covers, areas that these rock bass can hang on to and they can focus on and pretty much do their thing, right? And they're using it as ambush points, they're using it as spawning grounds, they're using it as just place to stay for just to hide out from bigger fish. We're gonna go ahead and try to stick these plastic into some tight areas that a lot of fishermen actually walk right past, where the smallies, rock bass, and largemouth hang out. Hopefully we can find a rock bass or two for you guys. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's a beautiful day. Enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys where you're on the water. Peace. Let's see if we can find a decent area to fish. Oh jeez, dead carp. Scared the crap out of me. Okay, calm down, David. Just dead carp. But still, what the heck? Man, this looks like a freaking animal's home, dude. Kind of creepy. Let's go in here. Wow, it's pretty amazing, actually. Nice place to stay. I'm scared. What is this, like a fox or something right here, you know? Okay, nothing. Scared the crap out of me. All right, let's go on that tree and see if there's any fish hanging out right up there. Camera here. I don't drop it. Put my shades on. Let me see a little bit. All right. Whoa, look at this. I'm sure there's no panther or something like that hanging around here. All right. You can see I'm on top of a tree now. Oh, it's not that deep. It's not deep at all down there. Alright, so far, no decent access yet. It's been really shallow, like muddy shallow. So let me just fix my camera here. He's being dumb. Not the camera, it's the tripod. Tripod is so useless. So I happen you buy cheap tripods, man. Looks like a nice little cover area right there. So let's give it a shot. I think I saw movement, but could just be carp. Yeah, it's very shallow. Normally when it's higher, it's better. It's more ideal for rock bass, but we'll see, right? Let's not step into some quick mud either. Oh, some big footprints. Those are human footprints. What the freak? Jeez. Oh, got one. Yeah. There we go. Ha. Got you. Wow, you are dirty. Look at the belly on it. Relax, relax. Wow, you're a dirty fish. On a bubble gum. Nice. Let's toss them on this side. That way the other fish over here they don't spook off. I didn't feel him grab it. Oh God! Oh, it's another rock bass. Cool. Oh, jeez. My bad. Dang. Goodness. You see him come and grab it too. My jig. Right here. Looks like a little nice eddy. Oh, that's a big bass. Oh my God, big rock bass. Holy smoke. Look at the size of that thing. Wow, dude. Yeah, when I say big, they're like bigger than a hand size, you know? They're chunky fish. Dude, let's go. That's so pretty. Wow. Alright. Drop it on that side right there. Dude, I saw like 2 black figures just come out. Right here, watch. Alright, so I'm now walking back into downtown. Let's just say I tried 20 laydowns and only that one laydown produced. Everything else, for some reason, there just wasn't anything there. Like I said, there has to be transition happening. There has to be like a pocket, a water level has to be right for these rock bass to hang in there. It looked like the water level went down by a lot, by at least a foot. So, we're gonna try these rocks. We're gonna push some content for you guys. We're gonna try to make it happen. Now, I caught a few, nothing big, nothing crazy to brag about, but we're gonna come out here and have some fun. I don't think they're doing construction today, so maybe I can fish this a lot better. Nope, there's people in there. Never mind. Oh yeah, there's people in there. So I really can't fish here. Got him. Oh, that's the big guy. That's the big fish. Oh my gosh. It's a nice rock bass, dude. Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh, and it popped right off. Oh, nice. Look how fat it is. Get the DSLR shot on this guy. Yes. We did it, guys. Found one worthy one. One so far. Alright guys, so we found one worthy rock bass to show you guys. Look how fat she is. Look at the stomach on that thing. See a better angle here. Look at the stomach. Holy smoke, chubby girl. Alright, here it is. Rock bass, going back. Alright girl. Let's go back. See ya. Alright, chest hardness for now, guys. Because I gotta hop these rocks. I don't want to carry my camera by hand. If I roll, I'm going down. There's no way saving me. That way I can target these isolated areas too, properly. Oh my gosh, that's a giant, dude. Holy smoke. That is a freaking giant rock bass. Dude, that's insane. Oh my gosh. There we go. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's just massive, dude. Just a complete massive fish. Ah, the teeth are so sharp. One look again. Wow. Beautiful fish. Oh, it's another big one. Oh my gosh. Dude, where are these big ones coming from now? Whoa, dude. Relax. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so much fun. Maybe they didn't like the DSLR, you know? Look at it. Another nice. Look at the tail. It's the tail. It's crazy. Yep, another nice one. Oh, geez, almost fell in. Oh, rocks are slippery. Go, go. Wow, that's crazy. There we go. Jeez, dude. I just hit record and dude smoked it. Wow. Look at the color on it. It's like darker than the other ones. Relax. Yeah, look at the eyes. Sheesh.
Whoa, dude, big old smallie. Oh my gosh. I just saw a giant shadow come out of nowhere. Dude. Oh my gosh. Giant shadow. Oh, dude, this guy's so beat up. Oh, dude, that was, oh, jeez. That was crazy. Dude showed out of nowhere. All I saw was a dark figure just like show up. Oh, yes. Look at that fish. Saw like the darkest figure show up from the rocks there. That was a giant rock bass. Look at this guy. Man, that's insane. That was his last meal, right? Oh, jeez. Wow. It's crazy. See you, buddy. Oh! Giant snapper. Gosh. Can you guys see that? It's right here. He's right. It's right here. Try to grab him. Let's see. There he goes. Giant snapper, dude. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Look at what a day. He's just chilling here. Look. Gosh, dude. Alright, buddy. Alright guys, I think that's a wrap for today. I hit up all the laydowns, all the 20, that whole entire like 200-yard stretch of river where all the laydowns were like sticking out, right? The obvious area. Not a single rock bass, not a single, I mean, I caught those, what, 3 in that one little structure, and that was about it. So it forced me to move up to the rock pile in downtown area here, and they're always on the rocks. Like I tell you guys, they're always by the rocks. They're always just hanging out like right alongside of like the riverbank there, and anywhere they can find themselves like sliding themselves inside those boulders. I don't know if we can call them boulders because they're not that big a portion of rocks. The darkest areas usually produce the best, right? You can throw night crawlers in there, waxies, plastic is always the way to go. Simple, it works. So try it out. It's a lot of fun. It just never fails. Be careful when you're doing it because the rocks are kind of wobbly and slippery. That being said, it is a fun way to fish. It's an effective way to fish. I caught a smallie, caught rock bass, I caught largemouth before doing that, caught flatheads and channels doing that. And I think it's just an effective way of fishing. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.